Hi, I'm Tom Cooper. I am the Chief Solutionist for the Brothers That Just Do Gutters here in Arlington, Virginia. We are true to our name. We just do gutters, but we do anything when it comes to gutters. Cleaning, repairing, replacing, gutter protection. All of our guys are trained W-2 employees. That makes sure that we can do the highest quality work on your home and warranty everything that we do. We're licensed, bonded, and insured, so we want to make sure that we take care of everything with your gutters so you don't have to worry about them again. One of the things I'm most proud of is the team that we've developed. It's hard to come in every single day, whether it's raining or cold or hot, to show up with that smile on your face and give that person an amazing experience, which is how we're already been able to build this momentum behind our brand, this momentum behind our customer experience. If I were talking to all the folks that we've had the privilege of working for so far, the biggest thing I would do is thank them. Your home is the biggest investment you will ever make, and our industry can be extremely scary. To trust that we're gonna come back and do the work and do it well, that does take a lot of faith, and so I appreciate that they've given us that opportunity. I am also extremely proud that through our reviews, through the feedback that we've gotten from our customers, I'm proud that we've been able to deliver on the expectations that we set for them. I'm proud that they've been happy with their work. So it starts with thank you, but I'm also glad that we were able to fulfill all their needs, and we're there if they need anything in the future.